Glad to have you back now. In case you just join us, this is Business Breakfast coming to you live from iBrandTV studios here in Lagos, Nigeria's commercial capital. So it's time to take a look. Let's begin first with the review of the Nigeria equities market and the activities that went down, of course, before the Eid al-Maulud holiday. Now, market returns to tradings today after yesterday's holiday. So let's get talking what may likely drive the market and the sentiment that may persist in the market this week. AMBROSE OMORDION is Chief Research Officer at Invest Data Consulting Limited. He joins us via the phone now. Thank you so much for your time, AMBROSE OMORDION.
Thanks for having me again.
Yeah. So let's get started. Market is just resuming today after yesterday's holiday. What should we be expecting?
Yeah, as investors are coming back to the market today after the holiday, we're expecting that the market will also remain in a misdirection, like what we saw on Monday, that the market was down. But before the market closed down, there was kind of a mistrend within intraday trading, which is likely to also repeat itself today because this is another day after holiday. But the good thing is that there are some companies that are going to release their results between now and Friday. Companies like African Prudential were expecting the result to be in the market. Stock like Transcorp also is likely to release the result in the market. But in this expectation, knowing that between now and end of October is earnings season, proper the peak of earnings season, there are many companies now that have joined the dividend paying companies, especially as they notify the exchange of their intention to pay interim dividends. Stock like Presco, Okomu, Total, Steplat, and others are in a queue ready to pay third quarter interim dividend, which is not as before like that, because this is the first time stock like Presco and Wako, Lafayette Africa are paying interim dividend as they are now in their close period notification they send to exchange before now. We are trusting that what this numbers are made available to the market within the trading period between now and the end of the month to change the market. But for today, we are looking forward to African Prudential results to bring the market today, because these are the early filers that we know that the result come early in the season, and we expect them to hit the market today. We know that the performance will not give exactly what is happening, but we expect an improvement in their number compared to where they are coming from. That is just for the market. The result come and beat expectation to change the trend result. And also, the opportunity that the market pulled back on Monday and created kind of a buy opportunity for new investors to take position in those stocks, because there's a little drop in their prices. And this stock, most of them are fundamentally sound stock. For that, I see what we call bargain hunting coming back to the market today to take advantage of that pullback we saw on Monday. That, as I said, today we're getting a mixed market because we are two factors for the market. Why that profit taking cannot be ruled out entirely from the market today. There are some people that are unable to sell on Monday that will also like to take their profit today. As I said last time, that profit is part of the market. When you have made money, you are free to sell and leave for another stock. But you are selling, another person is beginning to cause you see potential in that kind of stock. For me, the market is not down. That means from today, as market is open now, we set a new session, and if possibly the market is also likely to close up, because if the numbers we expect, especially from African Prudential, big market expectation, it will ginger the market also. And I said earlier, this thing are going to pay interim dividend. At least their first time they pay dividend as announced. It's after Presco and Lafarge. And Lafarge price for me is also attractive at this price. And the results from Lafarge for first quarter, second quarter have been positive. The one from Presco have been positive first quarter, second quarter. I mean, their third quarter also is likely to move to positive, especially for Presco that the price of their product are double. I see a better number in Q3 for them. Why that of the Wako? Because of increased social development drive of the government and also private sector. I see also the result of Wako to be positive for that. That's why I said this market might likely to grow up if all these numbers were expecting hit the market and the big market expectation. But don't forget, I said it earlier, that those companies that are import dependent, their number might not be as good as others that have done backward integration. So an investor should be taking that if you are in such stock, once you look at come that it didn't meet your expectation, it's not it's not that I just sell off to move another stock. Right. But if the market, if the results surprise you, you can keep hold on. But you have in mind that those that are import dependent will not have as big important numbers compared to those that have done backward integration that are not importing anything, because the cost of import has risen because of exchange prices we're having in the nation. For that, those that are import dependent, I pitch them. But those that have done backward integration, you see a better number coming from their company. But for the month OPEC ended September 30th. Sorry. Yeah.
It's all right. Let's look at. There seems to be a connection between the shares of Transcorp, of course, with the activities in the hospitality industry. We will get to that in a moment, but you specifically mentioned African Prudential. Correct me if I'm right or if I'm wrong. It seems to be like a lot of investors' appetite is beginning to grow towards the insurance stocks and all of that, because on Monday, even though the market pulled back, insurance index did a bit better, went up by around 1%. I mean, so how do you describe investors' appetite for that sector?
For Monday index, if I'm right, I also correct you that it was only 2 index was up, which is industrial and banking sector. Industrial was up by 0.17, while that of banking was 0.43. But for insurance recorded a decline of 1.something% as at Monday. They also think that all these penny stocks, fine, there is potential in insurance stock, but because they are penny stock that institutional investors don't play in such insurance stock, those penny stock. For that, you see, there's a lot of kind of a buy and hold activities there that people that want to buy is just only for those that are retail investors, that because the prices are low can move it up, but you can't see an institutional investor putting money in social insurance sector for trading now, because as you come, you be the one that put the price up when you're going out. For that, it is just really investors that are paying insurance company. Also, we believe that yes, there's potential for Nigerian insurance company going to the future, but until they harness it, I will start seeing them paying out the good dividend to support their price, and also the price are going up before it attracts the general public. But for now, the small retail investors that are paying the insurance company. And because, one, their prices are low and dividend payout is equally low, and they are not consistent their dividend payout. Yeah. But for me, with all this economic reform we're seeing and the corporate, yes, most of the insurance funds might come together to be powerful enough to undertake some risk. For you to be an underwriter, you must have good, kind of capital to underwrite. Then until they start coming together as insurance companies, they will be strong enough to underwrite big risk.
Let me quickly come in here. Would you say, would you say that the reforms in the sector, that is the insurance sector, is what has been driving, given the fact that Nigerians don't like buying policies? In short, many Nigerians don't like buying policies because of the culture and the belief, as it were. So, but would you say the growth we are seeing there is as a result of the reform in the sector?
Well, that's what I said the reform is part of what is attracting the retail investor. But you can't see institutional investor putting much on the insurance until they stabilize.
Right.
What we just said, no serious business in Nigeria that knows the importance of insurance that will ignore insurance. Because if anything happens, if you don't insurance, you are starting from the grass, or you are from the ground again. A good business, either small scale business, you know the importance of insurance now to speak now. It is before that will say because of our religion, because of our culture. But if you are really a businessman, a entrepreneur that want to go, you don't leave your feet like that. You need to also insure your business so that as anything happens, you fall back on that. I think the way as you just said, we are seeing a little improvement. But for me, insurance, if you want to pay insurance, you have to be very careful to pay insurance. For now, yes, the reform is kind of opening the sector, attracting investors, but still the local investors and institutional investors are not looking at the insurance now. The institutional investors are looking at where they can see consistent dividend and the price will rally for them to make money. Insurance stock, their prices are low, but for me, it's for retail investors that won't pay insurance stock I could speak now. But I think these institutional investors are looking at the banking sector, the industrial, the oil and gas.
Right.
They're looking at construction, looking at building materials. But insurance is good because what if the economy wants to fall back? Because if anything happens, you have insurance, it's like times 2 of your problem. But if you have insurance, anything happens, you can fall back to insurance to start up again. Then we encourage insurance at any time. But as we speak now, because their prices are low, it's mainly paid by retail investors, that we shall tell you. Or to start seeing a good dividend or a good dividend earnings, we need to reform we're seeing. Now we're seeing reform, let it reflect on their numbers. Once their numbers start changing, it will attract more attention for insurance stocks. That's why I see it.
But then, going forward, for the rest of the week, where do you see investors putting their fund?
Yeah, actually, we have a lot of factors going for the agriculture sector, going for banking sector, the building materials, the oil and gas. Now, oil have crossed almost $85. There are some companies in Nigeria that do good business. Why as oil is going price to deposit that government will increase price is there because if the landing cost of crude oil is high and the refined one, let's say, is high, they might not continue to sell the price. If they also jack up their price, it's going to also open opportunity for the local marketing and oil company. For me, there's a lot of potential in the market, especially as oil price is going up. Our market will have to go in that direction. I said before, in the history of Nigeria, our market moved in the direction of oil. It was before now that we say that oil was going up, our market is struggling. Now that market has come to that direction with oil, as oil price is going up, as our market going up, we'll see that especially if the numbers we're expecting, the 10% number beats expectation, we'll see an uptrend between now and end of the year. But for me, the market this week is still a mixed expectation I'm looking at. It might be positive, but I'll see a mixed trend. I've seen already in that market on Monday. You might see an up market today or tomorrow, but I expect a mixed market between now and Friday. And that was what the blow was brought to the last week for the month of October, which is the ending month. That means any result that does not come this week will definitely be in the market before the end of October.
I think we need to leave it there. Thank you so much, AMBROSE, OMORDION, our Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay.
All right, we'll take a break now. We'll be back with more. Please, just stay with us.